Hey guys, so today I've got the new Clinique Moisturizing Surge Watery Lotion. Is that what it's called? Hydrating Lotion, which is a new product in the Moisture Surge family, which is a pretty decent family in terms of Clinique's products. The Moisture Surge, they've got their Supercharged Concentrate, the Serum, which I really like, the Moisture Surge Cream, which is great, their eye product, their Moisture Surge Mask, and this is a good addition to the family. It really has a lot of good things to like about it. First of all, I like that it's a big bottle. This will last you quite some time. It's 6.7 ounces. Retails for $35. However, if you check out Clinique's website, that's where I picked it up from. They frequently have like good gift with purchases and discounts. I think I got it for 20% off. So I picked it up a little bit of time ago. A long time ago? I don't know. A couple weeks ago. And now it's actually live on Ulta's website, and I think Clinique and Sephora as well. So it's worth checking out. So it's kind of a toner, but you can also use it like you would use an essence and pat it on your skin, or you could use it like a traditional toner and pat it on a cotton pad and then smooth it over your skin. That's kind of how I prefer to use it. It's got a really nice texture, and it's got a nice little spout on it. So a little bit goes a long way if you pat it on your skin. But it really does feel nicely hydrating. It's got some good ingredients in there. The first few ingredients are all slip ingredients, but it's got bamboo, which is kind of seeming to be a bigger ingredient this year. I'm seeing in a few new products. Pea extract, barley extract. It does have caffeine in it, which, I don't know. I'm not a huge caffeine fan because a lot of people are sensitive to it. Caffeine can be drying, but it can also help reduce redness. So it's kind of a, nothing for skin is all good or all bad. Everything's kind of just depends on the person. I'm going to do a quick pH test of it for you guys, because I know you guys love that. So, but it's got some good ingredients in there. Sodium hyaluronate in there. And then we've got acetylglucosamine, squalane, some good ingredients, jojoba esters. And the pH looks to be about 5 almost exactly. So that's a pretty good pH, pretty close to the skin's natural pH level. So a little bit goes a very long way. I like the little spout on it. Caffeine I'm not a huge fan of, but overall it's denatured, alcohol-free, and has no fragrance in it. So that's a really good thing. Clinique mostly is seeming to go towards fragrance-free in a lot of their newer products. Some of their older things have a little bit of fragrance in it, but a lot of them. The Moisture Surge line, I think, is all fragrance-free. So if you have sensitive skin, dry skin, even oilier skin, this adds a little bit of moisture without leaving your skin feeling greasy or anything. And it works well under serums and moisturizers. So really liking it. Pretty good value, although I'm still really liking the I'm From Rice toner. I really like that one, but this one's good because it includes a lot of good ingredients. So if you have a shorter skincare routine and you like to keep it minimal, this is good because it contains a whole lot of good antioxidants and hydrating ingredients. So you can get a lot of good things all in one quick step. So that's a nice thing. So anyway, that's kind of my first impressions of it. Really liking it so far. I'll do a more thorough review once I've had a longer chance to try it. But I'm interested, and if you guys have tried this, and I'm interested, I've got so many new things that I've picked up since Black Friday. So I just want to know from you guys what you want to see first. I've got a lot of I'm From products. The I'm From Honey Mask, which I used last night, which is divine. Their vitamin tree water gel, the rice mask. Lots of I'm From. New Dr. Jart. I don't know. This is on their K-Beauty site. And they've got more from their Cicapair collection, which I've got their toner. They have a Cicapair sunscreen, a cleansing foam, a night mask, ampule mask. So I'm just kind of curious what you guys want to see first. More CeraVe. Derma E came out with a whole bunch of stuff recently. So anyway, just if you see anything here and you have an opinion on what you want to review first, definitely let me know. I want to review what you guys are more interested in. So leave a comment anyway. So certainly let me know. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow.